Hi friends, this is Sandeep Kaur from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting to Century Infiniti project, which is located at Choodasandra, Sarjapur. As I have told you, it's a ready-to-move project which comprises of 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments with 167 number of units and 12 floors each. This project is constructed over 2.25 acres of land. So this is the whole view of the society. Century Infiniti is one of the popular residential developments in Sarjapur Road. It is a joint venture of Century's Real Estate and Veohm projects. It is present in Sarjapur Road, which is popular for its connectivity to various IT hubs. It is a well-planned residential arrangement. They are offering you premium quality upmarket homes. Now moving on towards the sample flat, we are giving you the interior view of this sample flat. This is the living area. Here is the common washroom. This is the bedroom. Now we are moving towards the hall. This is the hall area of this flat. And here we have the kitchen area with the utility section. Here you can see this is the whole kitchen area with the utility section. And now we are moving towards the balcony. This is the balcony area. From here you can take the view of the society. So here we have the second bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious. This bedroom is having an attached bathroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, please subscribe to our channel, and for booking, please contact at the given number. Thank you.